Welcome to the HAL APS channel. Forecasting is the process of predicting future events, phenomena or outcomes based on the analysis of available data and information. The most common type of forecasting used in the systems is quantitative forecasting based on the analysis of historical data and statistics. Forecasts can be entered manually or supported by forecasting provided by more advanced mechanisms using, for example, a moving average that averages data from a specified period to smooth out fluctuations and obtain a forecast. Increasingly, machine learning uses linear regression to analyze the relationships between variables to predict future values. Another example is ARIMA autoregressive models that take into account seasonality and moving averages. HAL APS can be fed with an external forecast or entered manually. There are no limits on the length of the planning horizon that can roll over. Forecasts can be modified based on market information. HAL APS calculates the ATP Available to Promise indicator. For more information on HAL APS, including our list pricing, please visit the HAL APS web page. If you're looking to learn more about using HAL APS, our YouTube channel offers a vast selection of tutorial videos.